The sleeve is part of your recip saw's blade clamp assembly. It fits over the blade shaft, and the other parts of the clamp slide over it. The retaining ring is secured to it. Over time, the sleeve can wear from the other components sliding against it. The end can be chipped by the material you're cutting or by accidentally dropping the saw. Replacing the sleeve is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the shoe from the saw. I'll remove the retaining ring that secures the clamp. With the retaining ring removed, now I can remove the collar. I'll twist the cam a small amount so I can remove the pin. Now I'll remove the collar, the sleeve. Now I can install the new sleeve. The sleeve slides over the blade shaft, and I'll align the hole in the sleeve with the hole in the blade shaft. Next, the cam. I'll install the cam so the notched out portion is facing away from the saw. There's a small notch on the back of the cam that I'll align with the post on the spring. I'll rotate the cam around, and again make sure the hole in the sleeve is aligned with the hole in the shaft. With the cam rotated and the holes aligned, I'll install the pin. Then the collar. And last, I'll secure everything with the retaining ring. And I'll use a blade to test the clamp. I'll slide the shoe back into the housing and tighten up the screws. And now you can replace the sleeve in your recip saw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.